it will be efficient.
Can you make your point once again? What you said? Why should it be taught in English?
Sir, if we should, if we taught, if they taught in mother tongue, it will be not useful in the uh, interview stage or in graduation level. We will suffer. Example, we are suffering because we do not know English.
Okay.
If we are if we are joined in we are studying in English medium only from nursery, primary, but we do not know English
Okay.
much then.
And we may not get fluency also. If we
Yes,
learn
sir.
only as a ancillary language or a second language, we may not get fluency and we may not be able to explain things very clearly.
Yes, sir. In interview also we get rejected because
Can
of the English.
you switch on your video, ma, if possible? If you're convenient. Okay, right. Make your point. Okay. So you mean to you have a point to say that I mean English language must be used right from basic levels.
Yes, sir. Because if we used it in basic level, we may not understand in that time, but it will take time, and rather we will English. We will get more fluent in that language. So it will not be a problem in our future, in our graduation or in any interview.
Okay. How
It
will
will
it
be
help
useful.
them in the future also for their better career? How does this English language help them?
Yes, it will in English. We if we learn English from basic level, we will get any job. We do not reject any job, and we will get fluency in that language. If um, if we entered in any if we talk to strangers, or if we entered in America or any other countries, we may go for job or studies. It was not problematic, sir. We can as we know English, it will be easy for us.
Yes, good point. Good point. Is there
Thank
anyone
you,
to differ with what Manasa says? She says that basically, right from the basic level, English must be taught so that they become
Yes.
fluent. It becomes clear for them. They get a lot of command on the language. They can easily do well in interviews. That is her point. Anybody to differ with
Yes,
what?
sir. I will agree, but
Yeah, switch on
the
your
thing is
video,
that,
please. Switch on your video, please.
sorry, it's not. Sorry, sir. It is not possible, sir.
Okay, okay, fine.
Because I'm.
Okay, no problem.
My video is okay.
No problem.
I will agree with what the words was said by Mansa. But English is a language, sir. Not it is just language. We should learn. We should apply all the. We should with apply with the language and the thoughts via this English. But subject subject wise it will not work out in the all the areas and all the religional things like
You
that,
mean
sir.
to say it should be taught only as a language?
As a language,
But
sir.
coming to the
So that only
concepts,
we can learn, sir. So
yeah,
concepts will not work out anyway. In my view, it will not work out in all the places, sir.
no. If you
Because
are no, no,
if
no.
we go
If you are taught from the childhood, if you are taught terminology, vocabulary right from the beginning in English only, will it be still difficult for you?
no, sir. That's a good thing, sir. But the that's what we have to change. I mean, the tutors was to change, sir. They should teach all the things. But if we go primary school, they will teach A, B, C, D, and
Yeah, you mean to say
some little
teachers
words.
should be
But
well qualified, they should be very fluent,
well qualified.
they should know good English,
Yes, sir.
you know, good pronunciation,
Good
good
English.
vocabulary. Then
Sir,
you know we can also
for
learn.
example, if we
Yes.
yes, sir, yes, sir. For example, if you take in our institute, almost after 40 years, 50 years, aged people also coming to learn,
Yes.
and still they are learning after their graduation levels also, sir. Still they are learning English.
Yes.
That's all. That is must change, sir.
Okay. Anita, what do you want to say? What do you have to say on this? What is your opinion, Anita?
Sir,
Yeah. What according to you should be the official language?
English is a language, sir.
Hmm.
But
Speak loudly,
nowadays,
and if video is possible, please switch on your video. I'm recording.
I am outside, sir.
No problem. No problem. Okay.
So English is a language, sir.
Hmm.
One of language. It is a useful.
Hmm.
Nowadays, English is must, but it is very useful for out of countries.
Okay.
If our Indians,
Hmm.
if they don't talk in English, they can't do any job.
Hmm.
I mean, they do any technical work, in any technical job, business is there.
Hmm.
Not is English must, sir.
Hmm.
But Manasa said, if childhood basics is best learning is basic from basichood, from childhood. She said, what I said, I can't explain.
Okay. Okay.
Manasa
Good evening,
చెప్పేది
sir.
సార్.
Yeah.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి నేర్చుకోవాలి అని
Right from childhood.
రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ చైల్డ్హుడ్ అని చెప్పారు కదా.
Okay.
Some people not they unable to learn, sir.
Okay. You mean to say there may be some problems at the
Yes, sir. Yes,
childhood, and they cannot
Yes,
learn
sir.
English so early.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes, sir.
as Mr. Somebody just now spoke, he said that if you can really appoint good teachers, if you have good English teachers right from their childhood, then you will have good foundation, right? Won't you accept this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'm accepting that.
Hmm.
If they have good teachers,
Hmm.
they learn good English.
Yeah.
But
hmm.
from childhood, anybody don't have good teachers, no, sir.
No, why should you think so? Suppose you are provided with good
In villages,
teachers. No. See, suppose the scenario changes. Now the government is intending.
in my experience, sir.
No. Don't talk about our experiences. Let us assume that we are provided good teachers now, because government
Yes, sir.
is intending to appoint English medium schools only, English medium teachers only, so that it is.
Okay.
I mean, government is giving sufficient training for the teachers to be fluent in English language. Suppose
Yes.
such teachers come to us, teach right from childhood, then will there be possibility for us to know good English?
Yes, sir.
Naturally.
It's possible.
Naturally. Okay. Hmm. Right.
Uh,
Next. Yeah. You do have any
Okay,
point to say, ma'am?
No, sir.
Yes. Nagaraj, what do you feel? What is your opinion, Nagaraj?
Just now my father came from scolding. I'll speak in after the session.
Okay. Right. Okay. Gopal Rao, you can speak on this. Should English be an official language, or you want your regional language to be the official language still? Because
So
these
English,
days, states are
English
after
is-
regional languages.
Sir, in my opinion, English is better to take our official language.
Okay.
Why?
What are the
Because,
advantages?
sir, there are many advantages, sir.
Hmm.
Actually, much more information we have taken from English book only.
Yes.
So it is international language.
Okay.
If we are going to abroad,
Yeah. Yeah.
if we are going to abroad, it is useful.
Hmm.
In the society also, English knowledge persons is gaining much more opportunities, sir.
Okay.
for getting jobs,
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
getting opportunities, for getting research.
Okay.
In marketing also, it is very useful, sir.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So to get much more marketing, sir.
Hmm.
So English is necessary, sir. In my point of view, English is necessary.
So you mean to say English medium schools are most welcome, according to you?
Yes, yes, welcome.
Okay. And you
Thank you,
know,
sir.
these days we see everyone sending their children for convents only because they are
Yes,
so crazy about English.
they're
But
so crazy
when,
about,
yeah,
sir.
when government is introducing English medium schools, most of them are speaking against it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Why
sir.
this kind of
Actually,
contradiction? Why this contradiction?
it is the contradiction of politics, sir.
Yeah,
Politicians
yeah.
to bring this contradiction, sir.
Because in the globalized scenario,
Sir,
privatized and globalized scenario,
sir.
without knowing English, we have no place in the world.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir.
See, unless you are fluent in English, unless you know wonderful English, you have no place. You cannot compete with people across the globe.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir.
So right from childhood, if you are taught in English, your
Sir.
fluency, your pronunciation, your vocabulary, the command on writing and speaking would be totally different. So what is
Yes,
wrong?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. If they teach in mother tongue, they will only survive in this state, in this particular state, and
Yes.
in this society.
Yeah.
But if we teach in English, if we know English, we can survive in any country.
Switch on your video, ma. Yes. That's true. You are
Yes,
only regionally limited when you
Yes.
actually do it. Only regionally, you can thrive. But whereas when you are looking for a job across the nation and across the globe, even see a regional language is limited only to a particular area. Suppose
Yes,
Andhra
sir.
Pradesh or Tamil Nadu. If you know Tamil, only Tamil Nadu. But if you
Yes, sir.
go, beyond Tamil Nadu, your Tamil will not work there. Either you must know national language or international language, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is also one important thing that we should keep in mind. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what is the place of English today? Like, when all the nations are after English, why this kind of trend in India? Do you really welcome this kind of trend in India? Why people are after regional languages today? What's going to be the loss for future generations if they really give importance only for regional languages and look down upon English? Then what happens?
Sir,
We,
come again.
Yeah. Yes. Next.
sir, our sir, now our India is gradually decreasing, sir.
Okay.
In employment and other sectors because they only need regional languages and we do not have any useful education, sir.
Okay.
We are reading something and we are changing to something. If we know English and if we know communication skills, we can talk to any other countries and we can develop our own country. We have to know the place of the value of English language, then we can be better in the society and all the countries in all the world, we will also become one developed country.
See, if you want to really come up in technology, science, and all that, English is the only source. Without
Yes.
English, you can't really do well in science and technology. See, suppose computers, total computer science is available in English only. You can't
Yes, sir.
study anything in Telugu or in any regional language. Suppose
Yes,
science
sir.
also. So if you want to really go, better in any subject, English is the only source because a lot of literature for related to any subject is available in English only. That
Yes, sir.
not in regional languages. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's
Then-
correct.
Sir, I'll accept what you people are saying.
Okay.
But my question is to you all. In our India, one state is having English is an first language, sir.
Okay.
I think Arunachal Pradesh or Meghalaya. But in that particular state, if you take, how many are getting jobs, how many are became first in
No,
in
they
all
they
the
are
sectors
basically
in
backward states. The
No, sir, they are
problem
not.
that is sir
They are
all
not
all
backward state, sir.
yeah, they are
Yes.
that's
backward
what that is
because
Yes.
my
of
point, sir. They are already backward. They are
no,
in they are introduced English as a first language
no,
in
no, no. They
many
are
years
They
not.
ago.
are they introduced, sir, but they do not teach in English, and
Yeah.
they do not have a perfect
That
skills in English, sir.
yeah, that's what, sir. That is my point.
Hmm.
Particularly, first of all the tutors and lecturers
Yes.
must change, sir.
Those who are teaching should be well qualified, should know good English. They should have
Yes, sir.
good basics in English language, and the way they teach should be such that children should be motivated to learn and understand what they are teaching.
Yes,
Then
sir.
automatically language comes, people,
Yes.
we really follow people. See, in our
Yes.
schools also, we keep somebody as our role model. When somebody speaks good English, we take that person as a model. We try to copy him.
Yes, sir.
So if
In our
teachers are like that, naturally what happens?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. In every
Let
school,
us,
there will be a rule to speak English, but they are not implementing that rule.
Yes, they are not following that.
Yes, sir.
sir, let me add you.
Yeah, Kailash, switch on your
Yes.
video and speak.
Okay, sir.
No.
Pleasant good evening, sir.
Yes.
Let me add you one point, sir. Yeah, as you already speaking right now, I can say English is a global language.
Okay.
Even a global language, English is a two types. Even a person is very fluent in English, he can easily confused because if he right now you are saying that we can survey wherever we can go. We can roam over any country while speaking English. But English is a two types: British English and American English. In
Okay.
America, they used to say that cab. Someone who wants to used to call a cab member used to call a cab, but in British used to call taxi.
Taxi.
And in America, cookies, and in British
Biscuits.
biscuits.
Yeah.
Like that, because there is a slight confusion. So
Okay.
I just suggest people used to be compulsory to very fluent and get knowledge about the English, because we can even knowing fluence in English, but we can still confuse.
No. See, what is the worry about the difference between English? I mean, see, across the globe, the standard English is British English only. We won't bother about
Yes, sir, I
American
know that.
English. Because unless
But
you
we can
want to go to America,
people,
no, unless you want to go to America, you bother about English. I mean, American English. Whereas wherever you go, only standard English is British English only.
yes, sir. But people who used to talk in the American English, they can confuse.
No, they can confuse means only, stylish, only for fashion they
Yeah.
speak. Actually, they're not supposed to use American words.
Yes, sir. Only some of the words are different, sir, but
Yeah.
all the words are
Not
similar.
all, not all, only few, differences. Even these also have become popularized.
Yes, sir.
Cookies we
Even
know,
yes,
cab we
yes,
know,
sir.
they're very popular. You can easily understand them. It's not a problem, Kailash. I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Even
Srinivas Rao.
American English is also a cultivated language, sir. They want to use
Already in
yes, sir. They according to their convenience, they just they used to speak like that, sir.
Yeah. They really do not
According to
want to
their
follow
convenience.
British English.
Sorry.
That's why what they do is they want to make their own, actually, their own style
Yes, sir.
in pronunciation, in spelling, in grammar, in slangs. They have some, exclusiveness, I can say.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Srinivas Rao, you can speak. Just switch on your video and speak, Srinivas Rao. Srinivas Rao. Lokesh.
So,
Yeah.
so as
Respond. Hmm.
so actually I can't enable the camera, sir, because I am at a terrace, sir.
Okay.
So I can speak normally, sir.
Yeah.
So as you said, the official language as a English. So nowadays, what is the thing is, if we want to, there is a one important point, sir. In our country, if we want to increase our economic growth, so what we have to do is we should have a minimum level of understanding, and we should have to express the other people, so that he should understand what we are trying to say. So English is a very important, sir, language. As if you start the teaching English language at the beginning of the age, or we can say at the right childhood, it is very important, sir. So I think it is very important, and it is useful in the future also, as it is not as well as it is helpful for the country also, sir. Not only personal career, it will helpful for the country also, sir. That is the point, sir, what I think.
Bhanu Prakash, do you have a point? Linga?
Sir, good evening.
Yeah.
As we know, already India has adopted many Western cultures, and we again adopting the
video also. Better if you can.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So we again we adopted the definite we lost our identification as an Indian, sir. So India we think that about people are rural areas, they what will say, sir, English should be the official language, because already we have Hindi is our national language. We think we will think about all the regions and caste will be disobeyed to our culture, sir.
I don't
So
get it.
so the government should take the step to create awareness regarding the English language, so that everyone can read and write and to speak the Hindi, sir. That's it, sir.
Because all minimum, basic things are only in English. See,
Yes, sir.
you can't use Telugu everywhere. Of course, speaking part, okay, but coming to the writing part, mostly anything that you want to submit, you have to write in English only.
Yes, sir. In bank and any other.
Yes, sir. We already adopted English as a first language in officially. If you take any government applications or wherever you go, if you want to apply anything or if you want to send or receive, we are writing in English only.
Yeah.
Sir, but we can improve our language parallelly, sir.
Yes.
Without destroying our regional and local languages, we have to improve our English to grow our nation, sir.
Yeah. Nagaraj. Yeah.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah.
Actually, before I start my about English, just I would like to ask a question for you only.
Okay.
In which medium you have done your schooling, sir?
I have done my total education in Telugu medium only.
Telugu medium only, sir. So in Telugu medium, from beginning only, we'll get an idea for in each and every subject, sir.
Okay.
Either it may be social, either it may be science, there may be biology, either it may be maths. Telugu, who knows mother tongue, I'm not telling about Telugu only, sir. There are some states which are not implementing the first language Telugu. It's one of our classmates said.
Okay.
But I'm assuring you, on Tamil Nadu, another one Karnataka and Kerala, these are some states, they are very much interested in their own language.
Okay.
Till schooling, children must be treated in Telugu medium only, sir. Now I'll ask you one question. At what age you start you improved your English, sir?
Almost graduation level.
After graduation, you are interested and you learn, and you are the class teacher of Arcade Management.
Okay. Can I tell you one thing?
Tell me, sir.
See, I have become lecturer only in English.
Okay.
As far as English language is concerned, I am an expert.
Okay.
Suppose when I read something in English related to science or social studies or technology or anything, computers and all that, I am not that comfortable even today. In spite of being very expert in English language, certain technical terms I am not able to understand.
Yeah, I agree with you, sir. As you are a teacher, you will not understand some words you said.
Yeah.
Myself, when I read the editorial columns, I'll go for only editorial columns, sir, and national issues. Even I don't understand some words.
Yeah.
And I'll try to understand what the topic is, for what sake he has written.
Yeah.
The editor perspective is different and my perspective difference.
Yes.
If as a student I don't know the meaning of word from the last
What
two
I'm
days back.
trying to say is, since we are not aware of technical words right from the beginning, certain common words we don't know. Then what happens is we are missing the total essence of what he's trying to say.
Yes.
In spite of knowing good English, what is the use? Suppose I am taught everything right from childhood in English only, my perspective, my way of understanding would have been different.
Completely different.
That's what I feel always.
So now you said some of our classmates said the teacher is not good. The teacher must learn in specific English.
Yeah.
The English medium students, what they are doing, sir? Basically, in our state, everyone comes from Telugu medium background only. When her parents also speaks in Telugu in home itself.
Yeah.
The teacher must be given an opportunity how you are giving to everyone. The teacher must tell the students that whatever you speak in English, that whatever you speak, either it may be wrong, anything, whatever it may, you must speak in English.
Yes.
We will correct you. We are there for you. That expectation should be given to the students.
That encouragement must be there.
Exactly, so that encouragement given to the students. The students will ready. Yes, they will have it a passionate. These are all about private schools, sir. Even though English, they know the English also, they will not utilize properly because they are free. They are comfort in Telugu language. They will give the lecture in Telugu only. And second thing, sir, coming to Telugu medium schools, no one is interested to join their children to the government schools. Because they are everyone is interested in convenient. And they want to, it was a prestige issue today. See, my son is studying in HPS, my son is studying in Oak Ridge, my son is in Don Bosco High School. These are some circumstances, sir. Even what the lecturers are doing in the school means they are encouraging the students. One thing I would like to tell you, sir, one of my close friends, when I was working in some apartment, she is almost 1 year old, sir. I asked the girl one day, Siri, what was your studying means? She replied me, see, I'm studying in lower kindergarten. Now I don't know the lower kindergarten. What is lower kindergarten, man? I asked her, nursery, that is nothing but LKG, man. Even why you don't know? I asked that girl, very small, she's 2 years old. Siri, where your mother went means? No, my mother went for America for some business office work. So did you? No, I'm not at all. I'm daily seeing in my Skype, and every day I'm talking with phone. She's 2 years old, sir. Even I am not perfect. She's speaking. The first thing, sir, that parents must should look at their children also. That will be more benefit from the childhood. From the childhood, they must look after.
Home also.
That even background. One thing I'll suggest, sir, I did my schooling from English medium only, sir. When I was in school, my lecturer, my favorite sir, Lawrence, sir, when I was in 5th standard, that was English medium. See, what are you trying to speak English? You speak whatever it is, either it may be wrong, either it may be bad word, anything. Speak out. I'll correct you. The freedom he has given for me, that the same thing every till 10th standard, sir. In my 10th standard, only I am the person who speaks in English, who the new lecturer comes. This is about English medium, sir. I encourage my mother tongue also, sir, for ZBL, because if we taught in Telugu medium only, sir, because we are in Telugu states, I'm in Telangana. Why the Telugu? I tell you the importance. If we go for till 10th class, we'll get in each and every topic, we'll get an idea particularly. What is what? If we go for intermediate, we have so many opportunities now today. If the student has a passion to speak in English, if the student want to express his views in English, it is easy because we already know the Telugu. Just they must work hard, sir. They must work hard. Some of our lecturers said, sir, in Ramakrishna one, the 2 persons came for German language, sir. They did all every course in Ramakrishna. After the 2 years, they became the lecturers in Ramakrishna Math only.
That's true. So we'll see what Gopal Rao is to say. Mr. Gopal Rao.
Sir, one more doubt answer. Sir, how the Keralians and Tamilians are learning mother tongue in primary studies? Their studies in English went well, sir. How they are going like that? Why you are not going like that? This is my doubt, sir.
What doubt, sir? I didn't understand.
Actually, Nagaraj sir, whatever say, Kerala and Tamil Nadu people, they are studied in mother tongue language. and also they are fluently speaking
They're
in
equally fluent in English. How it is possible for them?
how it is
Obviously,
possible.
I'll give the answer, sir.
Hmm.
Because the
Because
medium of
because it is
schooling,
just English is just
medium of
language, sir.
schooling, they are done in their own language, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And they will have a passion.
Yeah, yeah.
Even the parents will encourage them.
Yeah.
You know what the literacy rate of Kerala
Mm-hmm.
and how the Tamil Nadu regional people are like the language.
Yes, yes.
If we visit Tamil Nadu, they are not going to speak in any language, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
There are only 10% people they'll speak in English itself.
Mm-hmm.
So my opinion is, sir, the schooling must be done in Telugu medium only.
Okay.
As our
Bhanu Prakash. Mm-hmm.
As you are our lecturer,
Yeah,
till graduation you have done in Telugu medium only.
Yes,
See,
yes.
this is your passion. You want to become an English teacher. Now you are a teacher for us.
Yeah, yeah.
This is what, sir. And some of our friends are asking in banking in institute, in some competitive field. In competitive field, they'll ask they'll check the capability of English, sir.
Okay.
In whatever interview, the interview will expect whatever we speak, he must understand. We must convey whatever the things we are telling. He must understand each and every topic.
Yeah, yeah.
And he will not ask any grammatical mistakes. So this is not the way.
Yes, yes.
In the competitive exams, sir, they'll keep a subject.
Yeah, yeah.
In English, they'll check how the student can write the exam, how capable is in English.
Yes.
Sir, you know, sir, even today, even UPSC conducting,
Yes.
they'll allow their students to speak in English only.
Yes.
They'll
yes,
keep
yes.
some friends.
Yeah, yeah.
That is the determination of their.
Yes, yes.
So
now let us sum it up. So what should be the, conclusion for this?
So, in my
Yeah.
opinion, it is important to have a official language as
Okay.
a English,
Okay.
as well as Hindi or a regional language also.
National language, regional language should also be given equal importance.
Equal importance.
Sir,
At the same
if
point.
when we study in English medium, we can also know that Telugu language also
Yeah.
what should be used if we study only in Telugu
Yeah.
or mother tongue language, sir.
No, Telugu should be taught as second language. But
Yes,
in the
sir.
same time, much importance should be given for national language and English language.
Yes, sir. We will get all through languages. If we study in English medium, we will get all the knowledge about computers and science, etc. All the languages.
Yeah, yeah,
But
yeah.
if we study in Telugu medium, we will get all the languages in Telugu. We do not understand when we study in English.
Yes, yes.
sir,
yes.
what Manasa said, if we study in Telugu, we'll know all the things we don't know other languages. Sir, in every school, they are teaching us Telugu, Hindi, and English. One is national language, one international.
He spoke nearly 18 languages, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, P.V. Narasimha Rao could speak.
How that became, sir?
No, he was a polyglot because he was interested.
How?
No, it was
So
possible
he-
for him because he had a lot of
He is
interest in
interested,
learning
sir.
language.
In his part,
Huh?
But
yes, sir.
everyone
In his
everyone
part,
is not
if we
interested, sir.
see language is the language.
So, I think everyone should get interest of learning English language. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because now the country is becoming developing. They are developing. But if we compare back 10 years back, it was not at all, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Not
Now I
like
can
that,
see
sir.
there are some of the
But-
changes in India.
No,
Yes, sir.
UNO has accepted 5 languages, right? French language, Chinese language, no? And English language like this. But Hindi is not one among them.
Yes, sir.
Then we have
Hindi
to learn
is-
English only.
Hindi is valid only in our state,
In our,
only in our country.
in our
Yes, sir.
country.
Yes, sir. But one point, sir, is if particular word if we continuously used in English 10 years up to 10 years, they will add in dictionary, sir. What we call Oxford dictionary. After that that word became English, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
If we take for example namaste, sir.
Yes.
Namaste, it is an our Sanskrit word, sir.
Yes.
but it became
Yeah, it has been
Global.
taken into
English,
English
sir,
language.
after using this.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, global word, sir.
Taken into English, sir.
No, because of their popularization, those
sir.
words will be accepted into English language.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And in this COVID period, sir, most of them are doing namaste and they are saying namaste also, sir.
Yeah.
In foreign also we can see namaste, sir.
Yeah, across the globe, this has become after the fashion today because it's
Because
good.
of it.
In many respects, it's good.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
As if we cannot say hello, hi, we can say namaste, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it is one form of greeting and salutation.
Yes, sir. Previously it was not there, sir, but recently it has been developed, sir, in many countries.
Yes.
And I think, sir, in future, our government will do such a good initiative, sir, for our development.
Yes.
Only
Sir,
that youth should think that we should utilize all the opportunities and all the responsibilities they should feel, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Manasa?
sir, even though we are studying in English medium from school childhood, we are not getting English because in private schools the teachers are only graduates and they are only intermediate. They do not have any basic English.
Yeah.
So we are not getting much English.
They speak all
As
broken English. They commit so
yes,
many
sir.
errors. They don't have
But like English, sir.
fluency. Yeah.
Yes.
And they
Yes,
do
sir.
not
Yes, sir.
command
Sir.
also. They
Yes,
manage
sir.
only to express certain technical words.
Yes, sir. In our
Yes,
syllabus
sir.
also, there was no basics, sir. How to write a letter, how to write a bank form. There was not in our syllabus. It was becoming a problem when we go in, when we have any work in future. It was not helping us, sir.
Yes.
How to interact with any other people
Yes.
like teacher. They are not telling how to respect and how to speak, how to develop our communication skills also.
Yes.
So it was problematic in our after we entered into a job.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, my brother is studying in Chaitanya College, sir. Right now, we just completed inter first year and his class are going for second year, sir. While I'm just listening to his classes, how is going. Teachers are used to, in the middle of, while class is going on, they used to speak Telugu only, sir. Even this chemistry and physics class subjects are going, sir. At that moment, they are used to speak in Telugu for better understanding, sir. But actually, while speaking English also, it's not very fluent.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's not very fluent. Even
Yes,
Chaitanya, in the name itself saying that is a very a popularity in getting more marks, sir. But there is no
Actually, it should
fluence in
be
English.
transformed right from the ground level. Ground
Yes,
level.
sir.
Yes, sir.
If
Teachers should
even
be trained
they
well.
yes, sir. Even though if they do not understand for 2 months, 3 months, gradually they will develop, sir. Because to learn the language or the subject, they should know English.
Yes.
The teacher should only teach in English, because if they do not understand, they will learn English.
Yes.
Because they are not understanding.
Yeah. Yes, Gopal Rao.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Gopal Rao.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I congratulate all the participants who are participating in this discussion, sir. And conclusionally, I told, sir, according to my opinion, English is essential, sir. But at the same time, we should try to create interest and explain the advantages of English, sir. In my opinion, regional language is mother, sir, and English is wife, sir. So we are give importance in the two
English
languages.
is father, I think, not mother.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
If one is mother, the other is father, not wife.
Right, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
So English should be given equal importance, because we have a career, and coming to our opportunities, prospects and all that, English is linked. Coming to our nativity, regionality, culture, we can feel that, in our mother tongue. So that's why equal importance should be given for mother tongue. Telugu language should be learned, and we should have, fluency in Telugu as well. and same importance should be given for Telugu also.
Yes, sir. They should
Thanks.
know basic English, sir, to know
Yeah.
the bus numbers and from where we have to go. There will be in English only, no, sir.
Yes,
This road is Vishakhapatnam, and this they should know basic English.
yes, yes.
If they are
At least
not
to read
educated,
and
also
write.
it will be
To read and write. Yeah.
yes,
that is
sir. It will
essential.
be helpful.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So